Welcome. These are facts about Greece. The population is exactly 10,850,000 people, and their climate is hot, dry summers with wet winters near the Mediterranean. Greece is basically a huge peninsula, and it's surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea and the Aegean Sea, and it has borders to the east to Turkey, and then to the north, Bulgaria, Macedonia, and Albania. And agriculture is very important in Greece. It makes up 1/10 of the work in Greece. And Greece has 9 main geographic regions. It's Thrace, Macedonia, Thessaly, Epirus, Central Greece, and Eudonia, and the Peloponnesus, the Ionian Islands, the Aegean Islands, and Crete. And the Olympic Games also originated in Greece. 98% of the people in Greece's religion, 90% of the religion in Greece is Greek Orthodox, and the Greek language is also the oldest spoken language in Europe, and that's mostly what I know about Greece.